Day ali diri, sabak ka diri. Sabak ka diri, sabak ka diri. Burikat. Yeah, YouTube just started doing the recently. I don't know why. That's why. That's why. This is my first time to show the number 1, number 3, number 2. Did you see it? The violet one? The LED. Sabakadiri. 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 Hey, the LED. Sabakadiri. Hey. I miss that I'm going to disco, guys, ba? La la, hey yeah. Hey. Day ali diri. Yeah, YouTube just started doing it. How long was your vacation? No, I think it's 1 month and 3 weeks. No? It's a very long, no? Day LED. Sabakadiri. 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 Day LED. Sabakadiri. Charot. What is that? How's my cam right now, Big Loan? It is okay. Sundan mo lang ang aking kamay, magkalayo. You cook lechon bili? Yes, I am the one who saya na eh. Who put the ingredients ba? Ingredients. And then I am the only one who brush it. They roll it, yeah, and then I brush it like that. Clarissa, on your last live, you said you were going to get on a boat and go to Benonido market or store. So I researched place close or around Unido Bend. Oh, yes, I'm going there, Sir Robert, because I buy a small school supply of my niece and nephew. No one researched the Philippines more than Robert Tatum. Dayali, Sabak kali. Buang magkabiglon, uy. You're so buang, big. That's how I found your island. Wow. You're so genius, ah. Na. He is very dedicated. Yes. Very dedicated. Yes, oy. Always. Allah. Zero viewers. Where is my viewers, oy? Are you there, guys? Wait a minute, guys. I'm going to fix it because correct, Bigalon. You just said you are also finding trabaho. Yes, Reptar. I want to finding trabaho, work here. That's why I'm going here. I want to find a new job.